Subtraction with borrowing. Let's revise the basic rules we practiced in our last video while subtracting. Rule 1. Always mention minus sign. Rule 2. Order problem. Let's try with an example. Now let's try subtracting 2 from 7. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Subtract 7 from 2. 2 minus 7 is equals to. Yes, you are right. It is not possible. But why is that? Let's find out. Subtraction with bigger number on top. Second hint, order matters a lot in subtraction. So, make sure to write the bigger number on top and smaller below. For example, if we want to subtract 4 from 8, 8 is a bigger number, so we will write 8 on top and 4 below. And remember the first hint? Yes, that's correct. We must mention the minus sign while subtracting. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Let's try another example. Subtract 3 from 6. 6 is a bigger number, so we will write 6 on top and 3 below. Now put the minus sign to show it's a subtraction. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Subtraction with smaller number on top. Rule 3. Borrowing always contains tens value. Subtract 4 from 81. 81 minus 4 is equals to. Now how can we make a smaller digit 1, subtracting the bigger one, that is 4, unless you borrow? This is how borrowing works. When the lower digit is bigger than the number on top, you borrow a tens value from its neighbor, as the number taken from the neighbor always represents a 10, so 10 plus 1 equals 11. So, 11 minus 4 is equals to 7. Now, as 1 is borrowed from 8, so we are left with 7. So, 7 minus 0 is 7. Now, let's have another example. Subtract 3 from 62. (62 minus 3 is equals to). Now as 2 is smaller than 3, let's borrow 1 from neighbor 6. We are left with 5, 9, and the tens added in 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 minus 0 is 5. Subtraction with borrowing in two-digit numbers. Subtract 17 from 46. 46 minus 17 is equals to. As 6 is smaller than 7, so we will borrow one number from neighbor 4, so it will become 3. And as borrowed number have 10's value, so 10 plus 6 becomes 16, so 16 minus 7 is equals to 9. And 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Subtract 9 from 16. 16 minus 9 is equals to. As 6 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow one number from neighbor 1, so it will become 0. And because borrowed number have 10's value, so 10 plus 6 will become 16, and 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. 0 minus 0 will be 0.